How to remove saved login info on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can completely log out of your Messenger app by removing the saved login info on Messenger application. Since Messenger relies on your Facebook account, there is no direct logout button in the app. But you can go ahead and log out that specific account that you're trying to log out from or remove the saved logged in credentials from. So open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application, tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then scroll all the way down and tap on Logout and tap on Yes to confirm. After that, open your Messenger application. If you're still logged in with that specific account, tap on the menu icon that is the three lines in the bottom right corner of this screen. Now from this page, tap on Settings. Now tap on Switch Account. Sign in to any other account that you prefer. Then tap on the three lines in the top left corner of this screen. Tap on Settings, then tap on Switch Account. Now once you're in this page, simply swipe the specific profile to the left and you will see this Recycle Bin option which is highlighted in red color. Tap on that and tap on OK to confirm, and this will help you remove saved login info on Messenger of your specific profile or account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.